and go.
Okay, so told you guys I was going to take you to inside the forest. Here we are, the Hoh National Rainforest in Olympic Park. Now, when I say rainforest, you're probably thinking, why is he wearing a coat? Rainforests are supposed to be hot. Well, tropical rainforests are, and tropical rainforests are, you find them in South America, Central America, Southeast Asia, tropical islands. But here in Washington is an example of a temperate rainforest. By definition, rainforests are classified in such a way because there's a certain amount of rainfall that happens every year. So rainforests can be hot and they can be cold. Here we're in a temperate rainforest, and you can see all around me how green it is. There's moss and ferns everywhere. I mean, it almost looks like another planet or an alien planet. Some cool animals that live here. There's grizzly bears, wolves, mountain lions, elks, and those you've hopefully had a chance to go to the North Carolina Zoo and seen some of those. When I get back, if not, I can show you some examples. But the reason this area is so wet is because of all the moisture from the air that comes from the Pacific Ocean. Okay, remember Washington's all the way on the other side of the country. So that moisture-rich air from the Pacific Ocean comes over Washington, and it sort of hits the mountains. And when it hits the mountains, the moisture is so dense that it doesn't have enough energy to rise above the mountains. So all that dense moisture, that dense air mass, lets all the moisture come out, and it comes out here. And that's why this area is so wet. What I'd like you guys to do now is to compare the two locations that I've taken you. I've taken you to the marine location by the beach. I've taken you here in this rainforest location, and I want you to compare the two, and I want you to try to connect the two. How do you think the ocean affects this region here, and how do you think this region here affects the ocean? You have your assignment that you need to do. I wish I could have brought you guys out here just to see and experience this, but unfortunately, this is the best I can do. So, get that prompt done, and I'll see you guys next week.